That's 2 different eyebrows, my friend. Oh no. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if this is your first time seeing me. My name is Maggie Howard and I make lifestyle videos with elements of musical theater, beauty, fashion, makeup, food occasionally, sometimes vlogs. And if you guys are interested in those kind of videos, it'd be so great if you subscribe, because as you can see here, a lot of the people who watch my videos are actually not subscribed, so it'd be great if you did. It would do me a huge favor. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup roulette. I saw this video idea from Isabel Mills, who I mentioned in the past. She's another small YouTuber, and she did this video and I thought it would be really fun to do, so that's what I'm doing today. So basically this challenge video idea, I don't know, I guess it's a challenge. Basically I took all of the steps of my makeup routine and I put them on like a little digital wheel. I'm going to be going through my makeup routine, but instead of using, like, first I would do eyeshadow. Instead of using eyeshadow, I'll do whatever the wheel roulette thing chooses for me. So it could be lip gloss, it could be eyebrow pencil, whatever. I don't know what's going to happen. So my face might be looking crazy really soon. But without further ado, let's get makeup roulette-ing. As you can see here, I have a wheel. I don't know how well you can see it. There's my ring light. I don't know how well you can see it, or if you can see the actual like makeup things on it. Just click to spin it and then it'll give me a makeup thing. So my makeup routine is not, I don't usually do all of these steps, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to be doing like a full face of makeup, but roulette or roulette. It's roulette, yeah. And yeah, but I don't use foundation, and I only use concealer when I have like blemishes, so I won't be using foundation or concealer today, or bronzer. Those are the things I don't use. So the first thing I would usually do would be my eyeshadow or my powder, and I'm gonna do my eyeshadow first. So I'm gonna spin the wheel and see what it will choose for me. Highlighter. I got highlighter. Okay, I'm actually excited about this. This could be horrible or also kind of cool. I don't know, let's see. So I have 2 highlighters. I have, this is the one, I have this one by Jouer. It's like reflecty. Here it is, you can kind of see it. So I have this one, and then I have this one, which is La Resi Cosmetics. It's a light stick. So you're supposed to be able to use it like as highlighter or blush, I guess. Here's what it looks like. It'll be a little crazy, but that's okay. Let's do this. This is actually kind of pretty. I don't know if you can see, but I have my eyes done with, I put the Jouer powder highlighter on my lid, and now I'm going to try and go in with a little bit of this one to kind of give it like a lift, like foxy eyeshadow, I think is what it's called. So we're gonna try that out and see if I can just make that work. Kind of looks like it kind of looks like I have pink eye a little bit. I actually feel kind of okay with that. Maybe highlighter for eyeshadow is good, especially this one. I like having shimmer on my lid, so maybe I'll use this like for actual makeup in the future. That's pretty cool. What if I get like lip gloss for mascara? I feel like I'm gonna get that now. Okay, let's do this for mascara. I got lip gloss. You see it? I don't think you can. It says lip gloss. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a spoolie and I'm just gonna dip it in there and then put it on my eyelashes. Ready? Why am I doing this to myself? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's not that bad. It just feels more sticky putting it on, but it doesn't really feel like, nope, it does feel sticky on my eyelashes. This is not as bad as I thought, so I'm actually kind of enjoying this. And also, it kind of looks good, but also we're only 2 steps in, so I kind of like the way this looks. I mean, I would not do it on a normal day because that's gross to put lip gloss in your lashes, but like, it's kind of cute. Now eyebrows. I need to go get another spoolie because that one is covered in lip gloss. Okay, got another spoolie. Now it is time for brows. Okay, ready? Eyeshadow. Okay, like brow powder. I can see that working. For this, I'm going to try and find a shade that's like close-ish to like my actual hair color. So I'm looking in some of these like neutrally palettes. I feel like this one right here could work, or honestly this peach tea color could work. This palette smells so good. Or one of these. Usually for brows I would use the Urban Decay Brow Blade. It has like a pencil on one side and then a like ink stain on the other side, so I'm going to compare the color of this. I've decided on Peach Tea from the Just Peach matte Too Faced palette. That's what I'm going to use for my brows. How do you even do powder in your... Can you see that? No, you can't. You kind of can. Look at that. That's too dark for me. Okay, so we're going to go to Peaches and Cream. Okay, this is a mess. So, I can definitely see this like working if you had the right color. But I don't. Can you see the difference between my eyebrows? Hold on. Can you see the difference between this eyebrow being like a monstrosity and this one being like normal? Okay, I'm gonna do this brow now. I usually fill in my brows just to make them have more color because they're pretty light, because they're pretty thick, but they're just not super. They're just blondie, kind of blonde. That's 2 different eyebrows, my friend. Oh no, oh no. I put way too much brown in my eyebrow. Maybe this will be more of a testament to my actual makeup skill and less what the Roulette gives me. And the spoolie out, which usually helps make them not look as horrible, so. So the thing about the powder, the viewfinder, do you see how much darker this one is than this one? Oh no. This one could be okay like from very far away. This one was not okay even from far away. And do you hear my family laughing in the background? That's wonderful. Okay. This one I just put way too much dark powder because I don't usually do my brows with powder. Alright, now on to powder. Watch it be highlighter again, see? I got lipstick. How am I supposed to put lipstick on my face as powder? This video is being posted in 2 parts due to how long it ended up being. The second half of this video will be posted as my Monday video. So, if you don't want to miss the second part of this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified when I post. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Bye!